We move. Hey. Nwa dị mma. What's going on? Nwa nke ịchara ikpeazụ a.
Nsogbu dịkwa na achịkwa m Boris n'ụkwụ like
nke gị na nke ihe ịchara ikpeazụ a.
Ka m na-agwa gị na mbụkwa Boris n'ụkwụ na like send you know
what's
up
now.
Certificate
of resignation, Maptago. Certificate of resignation. But on a more serious note, Oluchi, AMNI, onwe gunse feel na mmadụ ju na aboncha. Like to have the knowledge na mmadụ ju na aboncha.
Yes.
Onwe gunse
onwe one number na kpọkarị n'ime abalị every night. I block with them number ka agwala ma ọ bala to private number. It as na mamoto show. Yo kpọm na phone yo na-ebe. Nancy, I'm fucking you now. Just scream. I'm fucking you now. I'm fucking you. I don't know the person. The person be telling me, I'm fucking you now. Fucking you now. I don't know. The person will call me and I'll keep quiet. I don't have carrying now, but I'm somebody. My phone doesn't ring out. It's always on vibration. And then once it vibrates, I'll just wake up. Nancy, I'm fucking you now. You're so sweet. Oh my God, I'm fucking you. And I'm fucking you now. I'm fucking you now. Please open it. Open it. Please tell me you love me. In my head, I'll be like, oh no, I'll just keep quiet, steady. Only I frustrate through my life. Steady on with different numbers.
Only go for picture
you know, some guy, my friend, I want a guy. Pictures, post pictures save where. Post pictures save where. Only save where. Even on his pictures, you have about almost all the whole pictures I'm posting. Only a save here. All my pictures. The day my friend now called him say, I do know this guy, and I say now say we don't hang out once, but nothing like just normal this thing. Now pictures some not even screensaver picture. It was that bad. And the guy whom and I'm water Diana. Normal mean I'm too jovial. So I'm water Diana. You understand? After the guy
you go pregnancy test.
Do you know the day I'm hug this boy? I gave him my friend no can hear me. I just gave him a hug. Instant, immediately I'm going to call to I see
this boy.
I'm hug come now as in I shock. My friend, how can I just hug your friend? Just that this my friend I want to get like which I'm the one that day I got to realize that pictures needing a phone yeah picture. I may post to call a picture or my video. I keep wondering like I I'm safe before one mother try maybe a boom. You know those people dig up just the guy in the gym operation chanani hugging come home grandma in photo.
She stay like that.
Nanya, Nancy, akwema picture ga na screen saver. Nke a bụ nke ọ ga-abụ onyo na anụ, onyo ya n'iru, imago, ni nyo ya n'iru. On what was that? Ọtọ dị nyo like this, so they will picture gba ya n'iru. What's up there?
Nancy, I am fucking you now. Nancy.
Don't worry.
The guy just get honest. Nancy, I'm fucking you now. Open your leg for me. Open it.
And he traces you the number. And I put the number.
Private number. Oh yeah, like if only name one of SIM card, don't worry. Like in fact, I can't count. One at one with different numbers, and then if you call that number again, it will not go.
Nanya, on a more serious note, eminence. Kedu ihe unu nwere ike ịgwa guys ju na boncha or fa continue Call pharmacy Fakusia. You don't like it. Call
Because now,
on a ton okay.
Bawano,
continue. Yes.
Don't stop. It's fucking
So
sexy
continue.
when a man is stroking his dick in front of you. Like, continue, guy. Like,
that
sexy.
shit is so hard.
So sexy.
I want to why you need that.
It was like this. Danny whom name I'm going to
Oh.
Now, we are mono. And then we got about you.
A cherry bramo cover be fish or the game.
Child. And Ima ndị nwela nnukwu amụwe mgbe ha lachal oga be like this.
Oh, that's one.
Yes.
My
fantasy now.
Just
talking about it, they made me feel.
All you try to go heavy. It's heavy now. All you that thing got heavy.
So
it got
what
heavy.
Are you drinking for now? But all you in what time I na koni ga baruru this night. Cause you on a beer.
If
now.
This is not your house. This is not your house. That's
no,
not
I'm somewhere else on my birthday weekend.
So going out like this thing, say lago bia kweziokwu maka na so amu bugi bia this city bia na kweziokwu
can you get to oh when I see wasted alcohol wasted again otu if all to be okay
aluchi nwere am no standing by you
if even the t-shirt looks like familiar to one of my gangs. I'm not joking with you.
Somebody says strong nipples.
I'm already not suspecting in Florida, but I think it's a lie though. But anyway, how see the guy is there?
If a guy here.
One guy. The only thing I'm onye ọbụla nọ na this room make sure no lag na this veranda because unnocha na hotel una out na veranda it's a wasted veranda.
It's a wasted veranda.
I swear.
It's gonna be a wasted veranda. You know?
See how you position, right?
You can show me.
Oh yeah.
Show me.
Nsị na Nancy nke ikpeazụ a Nancy. Nancy nke
nekwa na Ifeanyi o.
Nancy.
Hey.
Nancy.
Nekwa na Ifeanyi o.
Wait.
Nancy.
I have to position it very well. Yeah. Sometimes you need to free yourself.
Okay.
Don't allow seriousness to kill you.
No, nobody is stopping. Go ahead.
Okay.
Okay.
That white shoe, the white shoe, yes.
It does not my gota.
Someone today Texas come to down.
From there.
Okay.
Yes.
Is that
you just put one of your leg and just hold the rail like this.
Okay.
Okay, that kind of rail.
Okay. Yeah.
Nice.
Okay. Yeah. As simple as it be, you know.
Okay.
Nancy.
Yeah.
Nancy,
I'm a very fast learner.
Yes, sir.
Nancy, the only thing in the man I wonder now, you're a fast learner. The fast learner.
Yeah,
you got that skill,
position
right?
Now I can do it. I've seen it.
I know you got it. But if the only one I want you to pass on to others this night, that uncomfortable position. Very important. You want to go?
Very, something
abnormal. Something obnoxious. As you go. Or the abnormal.
Somebody see, go back to that position, Nancy.
I want to hear beyond to you, Kumba. I told me, just hold it like that. Just.
Check,
No, Dr. So I'm not in Vegas, so I'm not in Vegas.
Only another I'm coming. One you are on our screen and you tell me a new. Nancy say like that.
Hey.
Nancy, no, say like that.
Hey.
Oh boy, yeah. Who are the one?
Nancy. I'm ready.
I can't
wait for December.
And where the 500 karat gold?
I'm coming with my notes. I'm coming with my notes because I think you need to teach me a lot of things.
You need it, baby. Like, our position they got like this. Your side the back and me this half talk more of me. You need to concentrate. Concentration is very important. Very important. Yeah. You're making our concentration.
I'm working on fixing this face, but these two ladies right there is a problem for me. So I will need to concentrate. Now, on a more serious note, concentration is very important. You said something like
if you don't concentrate, you got you. Oluchi, what up black man got can say in your problem go there. Guy, I got scum. So you need to concentrate. Let's concentrate.
Concentration.
Yes, in as much as it looks like you guys are playing, but you are not playing. God damn it.
It's not a play. Which kind of play?
I'm a big guy no name, I'm a party guy no I think he will go one side. You know, it just food. It bulle on the bed the day you cover. Guy. Let me show you the style. Wait, let me show you the style.
Show me the style.
I think una need to position.
Like this.
Oh, 1 knee forward. Besides the position, only two had to name me equal on it G Amugi. Name me ja.
You suck it now.
Okay, ja.
Just no. That's the fastest way for me to family. Like
yes now.
Then Milligana Bana.
But some people are the rough. He get why your name here. You did all cap made the cap. You did name here. You did no ina me the story now. Making it paint.
Okay,
Then again, hold your pen and paper. Email Ota, you listen to her morning, like you know to she timbo.
Okay.
Email Ota, Email Ota.
Oh yes.
Concentrate on that one.
Okay. He paint Zaga.
He paint. Some people he paint on a carton. Some people email Ota.
Zaga.
Imota,
Okay. Again.
As in, you'll be see the reaction.
Okay.
Oh my God, yeah. Full on.
Okay. I got it now.